Oh my god.
The gas is in there.
Oh, whatever.
That's dangerous.
It's turned off.
Now we're gonna be driving. You can hear a little hump in the back.
Go boom!
Are you guys ready? Okay.
But as I was saying, so loud, bro. Hey, Julia. Bad.
It's gonna be okay.
You go first.
I go first. I don't have to go. Oh, there it is. There it is. Oh, oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! How do I get that?
Can you see everything? Oh my god! Instructions.
Yay! Step 1. Spread the tent out flat, floor side down, and zip the doors. Okay, let's do step by step.
Everyone
Like
grab
the
a
top is
corner.
up, the floor-
I think we should scoot down.
Yeah, we should. Yeah. Okay. What's this?
What?
Oh, a smushed caterpillar.
Oh, how long has that been there?
Somebody else can dispose of that, thank you.
Gio, you go.
No, I hate bugs.
Jason, come here, get that caterpillar.
Caterpillar.
Hold your hand.
It's stuck on there.
Get a rock.
Yeah.
It is crisp.
Ew.
Crispy.
Dissected.
Look, guys.
Oh,
it's gone. I didn't even get a
on
chance.
the tent.
It's on the tent again.
It is?
I don't
Probably.
Okay, let's do it.
know.
I need a little chip to motivate me.
This shed. To be. Gio, you're bringing it over here.
I'm
Stake
attracting
tent to
them.
the ground by inserting steel stakes through the rings located in each tent corner.
Yeah, okay.
Do we have a hammer?
We have a rock.
We have rocks, yeah.
Okay, what is a 45-degree angle sideways?
Jason needs a rock.
Fiberglass type ones.
Oh. Guys, I think we're supposed to use these stakes. I got it in. I gotta get in the shade.
This is useless. It's not going anywhere.
Let me do it. We're desert survivors.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not working. Can I help you? One of our neighbors is playing guitar. Yeah, it's really nice. I don't know if you can hear it. I think he just stopped playing. God damn it. Is he gonna play again? Never mind. Hi, Gio.
This hesitant is gonna be, hand sanitizer is gonna be gone.
Yeah. I was generous.
They thought it was funny too.
Yeah, I'm funny like that. My funniness echoes across the camera.
Oh, sure.
Should I flip it? Wanna watch me flip it, guys?
No.
For the vid.
No.
Oh.
No. 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 No.
Why is it stop it? You got a child lock in here?
You gotta
These are rations.
flick your wrist.
I know, if you drop that one,
There,
it's
you
yours.
see?
Look, you're folding it.
Flick
You're
your
bending
wrist.
it.
It's not
Just
hard.
grab it. It's not hard.
Okay, could you put these on the sun over there? Cause.
Oh, the cheese. It's melted.
Oh yes! I'm going to. There, so it doesn't get stuck up in there. It's working.
One
Shit.
quesadilla.
Look, a lizard.
Oh.
So many.
Come on, focus.
food?
Tortilla.
Okay, sorry. Ooh, it's melted.
Cheesy.
Nice. Wow.
Oh yeah. You hear that? What's that guy? Noise. No. What's the other one? The black guy?
I don't know.
He's on British television. He's like,
Okay.
give me a fork. It's a little hot.
Put it down. Put it down.
You're so strong.
It's not.
That's no, I was literally. What the fuck? You're eating that. You're
Yeah, I know, it's mine. Shit, goddamn it. 4. I like that noise there.
7. Wait, did you touch yourself on the pan?
Did I touch myself on the pan? Yeah, I did. I touched myself.
Push me. How's your food?
Good.
I cooked it, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, how's your food?
It's amazing. Gio cooked it.
Oh, okay. We are cutting another.
Lisa, look back.
That's what happened to me.
Try again. After this, we're gonna get a fire.
Come on.
Okay,
Here,
someone
here.
else. That's embarrassing.
Well, I guess we go home.
Is about to rise.
Guys, just
Love the quality. Good morning, everyone. Why's his nose bleeding? It's so unfortunate. My back hurts. I'm really gonna take a shit. That was fun. You have to go poop.
Yeah, record it.
Yeah, I'll record. Yeah.